Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning this amazing triple zipper bag. Okay, it's a handbag. If this is what you are searching for, please watch this video from beginning to the end. It's very easy for beginners and it's very fast to make. If this is what you are searching for, let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, this is the main panel, which is measuring 21 inches by 10.5 inches. Okay, so you just need just one panel. After that, I'm going to ascertain the center. After getting the center, I will sew my logo to it. After sewing the logo, I'll carry my zip clothes, the complete zip clothes. I will sew on this side, and I also carry another one and sew on this side. Can you see it? So after sewing it, I will just top stitch it. Can you see what I'm doing? I am top stitching it. Okay, so I'll apply my oil. It's a leather material, but it's light. So after that, I will insert my zip puller. After inserting my zip puller, the result will be as shown. Then I'll cover it up with my lining. Can you see what I'm doing? Just pay attention to your work, okay? It's going to be easy. Then I'll sew it round the four corner with my lining. Can you see? So after that, I will carry another zipper. Then I will divide this one, the good side of this zipper facing the good side of the one I've sewn. Then I will sew it. Can you see what I am doing? So just pay attention. So after getting this part being done, I will now open it up so that I can be able to sew this one to enable it to be decorated. It's measuring, the wideness is 1.5 inch. Then I fold it, then I now stitch it just to save time before stitching it on this, before placing it on this. Okay, after doing it, I also repeat the same to the other parts. Can you see it? So after doing this, this is how it looks like. Then I will now mark out my center. I've notched my center. Okay, after notching the center, I'll mark 2 inches and also 2 inches from each side from the center, making 4 inches to form my base, the base of the bag. Okay, so after that, I will just connect it. Then I will stitch it round on that line. I'll just stitch it straight. I mean to say, I'll give it a straight stitch. Okay, so can you see the result? After that, I'm going to insert the middle zip puller. I'm going to insert the zip head. Okay, so after that, I'll trim out the excess. Okay, after trimming out the excess, I'll now bring my handle, which is measuring 20.5 inch. Okay, 20.5 inch. So I'll place it as shown at the middle of that middle zipper clothes. I'll place it there at that zipper clothes, the middle zipper clothes. Then I'll stitch it. Can you see how beautiful it is? So this is the side, which is measuring 7 inches by 4 inches. Is 2 pieces. So I will sew it on my lining. Okay, I'll cover it up with the lining. Then I will find the midpoint also. After finding the midpoint for up and down, I will go ahead and sew it to the body of my bag. You can sew it outside, then bias it outside, but I want to turn it so that I can sew it inside. Then I will bias it up. So to my returning subscribers, you are very much welcome. To my new subscribers, you are welcome too. To my new and old viewers, you are also welcome. And if you have watched to this point without subscribing, please do well by subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and so that in case anytime I upload a new video, you can be among those that will see it. Okay, so thank you so very much for your time. This is how to make this bag. Can you see it? Very easy and beginner friendly. So you just cover it up with your bias tape. Okay, just cover it up with your bias tape, and we are done with our bag. Can you see? So we'll go ahead and open our bag to see what we have gotten. I'm so sorry, lately I've been busy, that's why I've not been uploading, but trust me, I'll be uploading back to back. So see you in the next class, and I know you can do better than this. Bye for now.